me, Jade, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this easy smoky eye look using Ardell's Sultry Night Out palette, where you get the eyeshadow, the lipstick, and a pair of lashes, but instead today I'm going to feature our new HnB lashes in style 776. First, I'm going to apply this brown shade all over my eyelids. Just want to keep blending so you get a nice even coverage of this shade all over your eyelids. For the second step, I'm going to take the black shade and blend that into my crease, right here. This adds depth, dimension to my eyelids. I just take it from the outer corner and work your way to the inner corner. I'm going to take the same black eyeshadow that I used on my crease and blend that on my bottom lower lash line. If you have small eyes, this also helps to make your eyes look bigger. To finish off this eye look, I'm going to use the third shade on my brow bone. I also like to add a little bit of the highlight in the inner corners of my eyes to brighten up my eyes. So for my fourth step, I'm going to apply lashes. This kit comes with a 105, but instead I'm going to use our new HnB lashes. To apply my lashes today, I'm going to use our new Duo Quickset adhesive. Now I'm going to apply my lipstick, mixing both nude shades you get in the palette. For my sixth step, I'm going to take our Mega Volume Mascara and just blend my natural lashes into the lash line. And add a little more volume to these HnB lashes. And then don't forget your bottom lash line too. Lastly, to give this look a little more smoky effect, I'm going to use our Irresistible Shadow Stick in Gunmetal to line the inner waterline of my eyes. Just line the inside really quickly. And we're done.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Salah here, pro makeup artist for Ardell. And in case you're wondering why I have two different eyeliner looks, it's because I'm going to take you through that in a quick how-to video. I like to do winged out eyeliner to showcase less drama on your lashes, and a natural eyeliner to showcase more drama on your lashes. So let's begin. Alright, so I'm going to begin with my right eye. I'm going to be doing a really dramatic wing eyeliner before I place my lashes on, just so you can see how to do liner before you apply lashes. So let's begin. I'm using Ardell's Fame Chaser eyeliner, which is a perfect black with a felt tip. So it's very easy to get precision, and it's very easy to get within your lash line. Let's take a look how this works. I'm using my lashes as the workbench for this eyeliner. If you lean down on your lashes, you actually get a straight line with no effort. Okay, now a wing eyeliner doesn't need to be drawn in, and what I mean by that is there's no need to do a check mark at the end of your eye. When your eye opens, it actually naturally takes a tilted position, so your straight eyeliner that you're drawing now becomes curved. Check out what I mean by that. So we're going in a straight line across. The tip of your eyeliner gives you that edge, and then what we're going to do is join them together and fill in all the gaps that I promised you this eyeliner would do. And there you have a perfect application of a winged out eyeliner. Now let's go to the inner corner of your eye, because that's important to fill out as well. Adding eyeliner also has two benefits. It fills in your lash line, it can thicken the look of your lashes by doing that, and also you get more depth with your false lash. So when you add a false lash to a winged out eyeliner, check out what happens. I'm using lash number 600, and the reason why I'm choosing this is because the hair is very, very spaced out. And with a thick wing eyeliner, it's actually nice to have a spaced out lashes, because your liner doesn't get lost in the lashes. We're placing that on for measurement. Okay, these are actually the perfect size for me. If they weren't the perfect size for you, you could actually take a pair of safety scissors and clip off the inner corner and the outer corner equally. If you have a lash that is wispies at the end or longer at the end, don't cut the longer end. Always cut the shorter end of your lash if you need to trim. So I measured my lash 600. It's perfect for my eye shape. Make sure that all the lashes that you choose are also perfect for your eye shape as well before you add your lash adhesive. Now I chose today for my lash adhesive to use Duo in Dark. The reason why this is a good choice for a really winged out eyeliner is because you won't have any wait time. We all know that the Duo Dark goes on perfectly dark and it dries the exact same way it goes on. So here is the application of the lash adhesive. It's a very, very thin line. In fact, what I like to do is add dots of adhesive and then just spread them along with your lash applicator or anything that you choose to use to apply your Duo. All right, I'm gonna give it a quick fan. And what that does is it dries the adhesive a little bit more so it's not so sticky on your lash line. When you put the lash right on, once you've applied the Duo, it can slip around and that can get a little messy and, to be honest, frustrating. So the best thing to do is give yourself about 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and then apply the lash. So look down is always my favorite trick. Apply to the center and then just use your fingertips to push down the lashes further into that tiny little lash groove. All right. Another thing I like to do is just squeeze my false lash with my natural lash. How you can see I'm doing, it's just tiny little pinches. And what that does is it marries the false lash into your real lash so that the hairs can actually flow through. And that's another great reason why to apply mascara to begin with, because then you don't have to put too much mascara on your false lash, which you want to maintain, and by not applying too much mascara on them helps you keep them for longer. Here's what I would do if I did add mascara. I actually love the top and bottom lash mascara by Ardell. And the reason why this is amazing is because it has a top lash brush and a lower lash brush. And I really prefer to use the lower lash brush on my top lashes once my lashes are on, because look at the detail you can get with this. You just need tiny little strokes of this and you can actually get less application on your false lash, which also helps to keep it natural looking. So that is the Lash 600 with a winged eyeliner. Now on the other side, I'm going to show you all how to do more of a natural eyeliner so that you don't really see too much of the eyeliner, but you see more of the lash. So let's prep that lash line. Okay. So now that we've finished the right eye, which showcases a winged out eyeliner with the Lash 600 in the wispy line of lashes, let's do the other side. And on the left side, I'm actually going to do more of a natural approach. A lot of people don't prefer more of a natural eyeliner look, especially when they're wearing lashes, so that you can showcase the lash style itself. And by not having a winged out eyeliner, you're going to focus more on the lash. So let's begin. I'm going to use the same eyeliner. It's Fame Chaser. And the color is black and the shade name is Patent Leather. So if you're looking for that in the store, make sure you pick up Patent Leather because that is the darkest shade of black that you're gonna get. All right, so again, I like to have mascara on because it gives you more support on your actual eyeliner. I like to do just tiny little strokes. The great thing about the tip of this is that you can actually work upwards as well. So you can fill in your lash line this way as well. Adding those small dots can actually give your lash line the effect of actual hair. I like to do it in my lower lash line too. Usually I'll do the same stroke as my lashes. And you fill in your lower lash line too. Then you don't have to use individuals if you don't want to. So that's more of a natural look. Let's add the lashes on this eye now, so you can actually see the difference between how dramatic a lash can look with or without eyeliner. For the left eye, I chose to use the Lash Adhesive Duo in Clear. Just so you can see the difference, Clear is a great lash adhesive to use when you don't have too much eyeliner on, because it dries clear, it's easy to see, you can see where your lash is going. It's just a great alternative. So let's have a look at how this dries on a more natural eyeline. I've given myself my 10-second dry time for the adhesive. I'm ready to apply the lash. So again, looking down is the easiest way. Start in the center and then just pinch down both front and end sections of the lash. And just do my good old little trick of pinching the false lash with your natural lash together. That way they are completely bound with each other. And that's that. And your left eye has a very natural eyeliner, and your right eye has a more dramatic eyeliner. And as you can see, the lashes actually look very different too. You get more drama with no eyeliner, and you get less drama with more. So it just depends where you want to put your accessory, like I said. And that is your two different looks of eyeliner with the Lash Style 600. Thanks so much for joining me, everyone. I hope I was able to teach you a few more tips and tricks on not only how to apply a winged out eyeliner for less drama on your lashes, but more of a natural eyeliner for more drama on your lashes. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Hi, my name is Alana Dawn. I am a celebrity makeup artist. Today I'm going to show you how to apply Ardell strip lashes in just a few simple steps.
Gently remove lash from tray using tweezers. Apply a drop of adhesive onto foil, back of hand card, or other surface. Dip lash base onto adhesive. Place over natural lash, close to the lash line.
It's Yumi Maslah here, pro makeup artist for Ardell. Today I'm really excited to be introducing a brand new product for us, and they are magnetic accent lashes. Accents are perfect for those of you that want to add a little extra emphasis, and they're supposed to be worn at the ends of the eye. You'll get that extra boost without wearing a full lash. There are a number of differences that need to be highlighted about the Ardell magnetic lash. The first one is that the lash comes with a pre-curved band. That's excellent news. It fits a lot more comfortably along the lash line. Secondly, the magnets along the lash line are perfectly placed and a lot smaller, so they're much less noticeable. There's absolutely no wait time since there's no adhesive needed. They're so lightweight you don't even feel them on, and they're reusable. Fantastic news is that the upper lash and the under lash lock together for a perfectly tight, budge-proof fit. Applying a little bit of mascara on your natural lash is going to really help hold the lash perfectly. My favorite mascara to use is Ardell Double Up Volumizing Mascara. I'm going to go ahead and take the upper lash out of the case. The upper lash will sit exactly on the end of my lash line. Okay, that's down. I'm gonna take the under lash and get ready to lock these two lashes together. And that was a nice, quick lock. And my lashes are placed perfectly on the right accent side. Thanks, bye.